I'm alone when I need to cry. I wish that someone knew how I feel. I wish they knew my hurt is real. All the doubts we bear, the pain we face in this lonely searching space. But faith relieves, though tears may fall like rain. We are not forgotten, we can rise again. Along with the hurt we encounter doubts. I've lived and believed faith relieves pain, even at times when my tears fall like rain. Oh, the doubts we bear, the pain we face in this lonely searching space. But faith relieves, though tears may fall like rain. We are not forgotten, we can rise again. We all have someone we may not all know just yet. When we feel alone, we must not forget. We are here in this world to experience life, learn from mistakes, be husbands and wives. We are to love one another in spite of all we've learned. We forgot what's right, do we want to get burned? We are given one chance in life to believe. As children of God, if we ask, we receive. All the doubts we bear, the pain we face in this lonely searching space. But faith relieves, though tears may fall like rain. So at times when you need a hand or a friend, at times when holding back tears must end, close your eyes, reach out with your heart and soul. Ask your spirit again to be made whole. Remember, you must keep trying, no matter what circumstances may be. Know that with or without others, in time you'll be free. In time